In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Zoom on an iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing you want to do is go to your App Store and download Zoom. You can download Zoom Rooms, which is basically like if you have multiple projects or anything like that, you could go ahead and use that. But the most common one is Zoom Workplace. So all you want to do once you have it open is you can literally sign in, sign up if you haven't made an account already, or you can join a meeting. So if you're in a time crunch, what you can do is join a meeting like so. And what you can do is use any meeting ID. It would probably come up on any invitation that you've received. And then what you could do is where it says iPhone for me, that's going to be your name section, your screen name, how people are going to see you. Then once you type in a name, what you can do is just press join right there. So if I just used a random meeting ID like this, what I could go ahead and do is press join, and then that's it. I'll be good to go to join. I can also join events as well. It says enter the email you used to register for the event. And then once you press that, you're going to be able to join an event as well. Obviously, if you want to sign in and have a more personalized experience, you could go ahead and do that as well. So once you sign in, it's going to look something like this, and you're basically going to be able to schedule, share, join, or start your own meeting as well. There's going to be a team chat on the bottom. Obviously, I don't have a team right now, but then, you can have docs. So any files can be imported over here as well. You can even go to mail. So if you want to create a Zoom mail account or sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft, you could also do that as well so that everything can just be inside of the Zoom application, which is pretty handy. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.